This video we will see how to get started with Ti-nspire CX. So once you click on the home button, this is the kind of interface it will appear in front of you. You'll have the option of calculate, graph, and then again you have certain icons here. This is for your spreadsheet and this is for your data analysis. So today we'll just go with the basics of Ti-nspire. Okay, so what a calculator does is simple calculations, and you can do a lot more in Ti-nspire, but today our focus will be only on calculations. So I'll click on calculate. Now as you can see, I have a numerical pad here and I have my multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. So I can divide two numbers, but as you see your answer comes in a fraction form, that is 3 by 2. So if you want to convert it, you'll go to menu, then you will go to number, and then you will go convert to decimal, and then you can press enter and the answer is 1.5. If you want to multiply 9 times 4, it's 36. So these operations are pretty simple and pretty basic. And if you want to square, you have a square here. If you see x square, you can tap on that, enter. If you want to add a more value, a greater than that, so you can use this button for the power, and you can enter the required power whichever you want to do. Let's say 74. So you get a huge large answer. If you want to do minus, okay, let's say you have another minus, so you can use these brackets. And the one thing which you have to remember is your Ti-nspire doesn't know board mass. So you have to use the appropriate brackets whenever you're doing any kind of operation, be it addition, subtraction, or multiplication. Now, in case you want to use your, let's say, area of a circle and your radius is, let's say, 8. So area of circle is pi r square. So 8 square. Now, your Ti-nspire has an inbuilt value of pi. If you see, if you click here next to h and you click on pi, you click again enter. So it will automatically calculate for you what is the area of the circle. And again, if you want to use your, let's say, square root function, so if you see all these which are written in blue have to be used along with the control. So you'll press control once, then you'll click on x square. Now you can see you got a root function. So you can type, let's say, 21. Your answer is 4.58258. So this you can again, do can with different types of numbers. So addition, subtraction, multiplication, square root, or if you want to do it, say cube root. So I'll do 9 to the power, and it's cube root, so that means the power is 1 by 3, and just 2.08008. You can also do this 78 to the power of, let's say you wanted a fraction here, okay, you don't want to use, so you can go to this, select a fraction, and directly write whatever the value is in case it is not a different root, 18.256. So this option, which is next to 9, this button will give you a different kinds of inputs which you can use. So you have a fraction, you have a power, you have a root, you have, let's say cube root or fourth root or fifth root, you can just enter here. You have the power of e, you have log, and subsequently you have all the other options. You have a matrices, you have sigma for your series, you have product of a series, you have derivative, you have second derivative, you have your integral. So let's try, let's try log. So I want to define my base, so let's take my base is 10 and my power is 100, let's say, for that matter. So 10 square is 100, so 10 to the power of 2. The answer is 2. Similarly, I can also, my advantage is I can use my keypad. So L O G. Log is log, and I can, we know, like when base 10 we do not use any notation, so I can just type log and 100. Again the answer is 2, because log 100 is nothing but log base 10. Then we have your e. So e to the power of 1, the value is 2.71828. And in case you want to use the natural logarithm, so you have two options. First option is going from here, go to log. Then here you have to use your e. Always remember the e will be along with the pi, not the alphabet, e. And then if I say, if I want to use 14, this is the answer. Or the shorter way is you can directly type natural logarithm, which is above e power x. So control this, enter. So this is also your natural logarithm. So different ways, different representations of that. And in case you have, a big division, or let's say a simplification of a particular thing, so I can type 9 into, and add a bracket here, so I can say 2 plus 3, and again I'll tap down. Again I'll use, let's say, 56 times 8 plus 4, and again let's say add another number here, plus add another fraction, 9 by 5. So these values, that will do it for us. Now in case you want the answer in fraction, here it is. If you want in decimal, convert to decimal, enter 1.86 So these are just simple basic operations. So you have addition, subtraction, division, and we have covered logarithm on the top and exponential. Now in case, let's say you want to use a particular value, okay, let's say I want to use this 2.63 and I don't want to type it, so use the navigation key, go to 2.63, press enter, you get that value automatically, the complete value. And now whatever you want to do with it, let's say I had another question asking me to subtract 36 or multiply anything, so you don't have to type it. In case you already have it, just use your navigation key, go to that value, whichever the value you need, press enter, it appears, and you can do the required operation. So this video was only about covering the very simple basic aspects of you know our Ti-nspire CX. So anything which we want to do, be it like trigonometry or graphing or stats or data analysis, we'll see in our upcoming videos. Okay, till then, take care and have a good day.